guys, Tactical Szparrow. I'm going to show you how to field strip a Glock 19 Gen 4. So first off, what we want to do is we want to drop our magazine, check and make sure that the gun is empty. Now for the Gen 4s, what you have to do is point the gun in a safe direction, pull the trigger. You want to grab it just like this. Take tension off of the guide rod. Pull on 2 tabs here. Release. And now be careful about this because you can let the slide go straight off into the ground. Come straight off the front. You can set the handle aside there. All right. Now you got your guide rod spring. This is a double catch spring in the Gen 4s. And we can pull our barrel out, and it is as simple as that. Now to put it back together, you repeat the process just in reverse. So take our slide, insert our barrel, ensure that it's seated all the way. We're going to take our spring, put it in, make sure it's down in that second notch. Line it up on our rails here, rack it back, pull the trigger and make sure, and that's it. Ready to go. It's that simple.